You're gonna get the moon? You got a long ways to go if you're gonna get the moon. You're gonna get that moon? It's a long ways up there. What's that? We got a long ways to go if we're going to that moon. Let's not go to the moon today. Stella, let's go to the house, not the moon. Please. Can we please go to the house? Let's go to the house. Can we go back to the house, please?
No.
Please?
Yes.
Where are we going?
The moon,
The moon, huh?
the moon.
I'm going to go to the house. All right, well, I'll see you later. I'll just holler at me when you get to the moon. I'm going to go ahead and go to the house. Do you want to come with me? We'll go to the moon another time. I agree. It's getting a little late to go to the moon. Let's go to the house. You want to hold hands?
No.
Okay. About back to the house.